you're looking at a 2017 Chevy Bolt EV Premier with 25,000 miles. It comes fully loaded. ABS traction stability control, alloy wheels, heated leather seats, heated steering wheel. Batteries replaced under recall. CCS fast charge, J1772. Blind spot monitors. Android Auto, Apple Carplay, projection. Backup camera with the mirror camera as well. Home link. All the safety features, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. 25,663 miles. Excuse me. Bose sound system. It's a nice clean car. One owner. Qualifies for the IRS tax credit and MOR-EV rebate. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.